And 2 people were sent to hospital after ammonia was detected within an ice manufacturing company at Fishery Port Road in Jurong. The Singapore Civil Defence Force says the leak has been traced to a pipe and supply has been cut off. The incident occurred in the morning, but by late afternoon, people were allowed back into the building. Natalie Ong with more.
The main affected building is compound number 11 Fishery Port Road, which is occupied by JM Ice. In the past 3 hours that I've been in the vicinity, I've seen at least 7 SCDF vehicles comprising at least 2 hazmat trucks and over 20 personnel on the ground carrying out operations. Initially, when I arrived, a police cordon meant that I was stationed about 120 meters away from the affected building. Occasionally, vehicles were seen to be let in and out. Ammonia was detected within the compound. The incident was reported to the SCDF at around 11:45 a.m. Workers of JM Ice who were present said they had been asked by the police to evacuate around that time. As a safety precaution, neighbouring units number 9 and 15 have been evacuated as well. Many of these units are food and cold storage businesses. I also spoke to some workers of the ice company who were making their way to the office, who said it was the first time something like that had happened at the workplace.
Because my colleague, all the vehicles parked there. I saw them. Before coming here, they let me know already. They are parking there, not allowed to go in. Here, inside never happened anything because it's all totally safe.
因为我们从外边送货刚回来嘛，老板娘让这边等还不太清楚我们。
At 4:30 p.m., staff including those of compound number 11 were allowed back into the cordoned off area but not into the building. Only staff of compound 15 were allowed back into theirs. Half an hour later, all the staff of all 3 compounds were allowed back to their buildings. The SCDF left not too long after.
Now, ammonia is commonly used in refrigeration and fertilizer production. It's also one of the most produced chemicals in the world. But just how dangerous can exposure be to the human body? Well, small amounts of ammonia are naturally present in the environment and are not generally harmful to people. The risk comes when exposed to high concentrations, which can irritate the skin, eyes, throat, and lungs. Symptoms may include coughing, vomiting, and skin blisters. And in more severe cases, it can lead to breathing difficulties, blindness, and even death. Now, there were previously 3 incidents of an ammonia leak that also took place in the western part of Singapore before today. A 2018 incident at a food factory building saw 4 people hospitalized and around 100 workers evacuated. In 2009, operations were halted at a pork factory in Burow Lane after an accidental ammonia leak.